guys, it is Julie here. I'm not used to being on camera, but I have a few things to say before you start doing this project. Here's the project of this week. It's a digital camera with a little message on the back. There are different messages available, and then inside there are some pictures. Of course, you will put your own pictures, 6 of them, that will create sort of a mini album. So this is a really easy project, suits many occasions. Now, here's the thing I want to say. If you have pictures already printed at home, then you will go ahead and use the standard template that looks exactly like this. Then you will cut the purple spaces and insert your image on the back. This will create a similar result. But if you want to insert your pictures already in place, which is the way I did this project, there are multiple ways you can do this. In this video I will do a little tutorial on how to do that with Inkscape, which is a free software everyone can download. So if you want to do that, you can now go to the end of the video in the section that brings this tutorial. So it's up to you guys. You can choose both options. Of course, you need to know before you start doing the project. So this is a free project. It's available on my Ko-fi page. The link is in the video descriptions. If you want, you can support me by buying me a coffee. But this is a free project for everyone, and I hope you enjoy doing it. Thank you for supporting this channel. Every likes and follows and comments will help me to keep creating new projects for you guys. So thank you again, and see you in the next video.